Alright folks, in my happy place, surrounded by bikes. Oh, medium mod. Oh, Hero 9. Oh, charger crap. Oh, one of two mics. First one failed me. Not tried this one yet because it's a double microphone and they've sent the wrong one. So I need to order another bloody one. Excuse the language. Batteries galore. I'm filming on it just now actually. Just testing it out. I've already tested it out for 2.5 hours 2 days ago on the MT. Didn't check any of the footage. Noticed that about 20 minutes left on a memory card. So had my dinner, then thought I'll go out in the YZF-R 125 for a spin. So I headed down to Muirkirk and thought I'll record on the way back up. And I had an incident. Livestock, unpredictable. Realistically, I thought they were on the other side of the fence, but it wasn't until they bolted into the middle of the road I realised they weren't. And I'd already passed that way, the exact same bit of road, like 10-15 minutes before that, and they weren't there. So these things happen. Finally got a couple of mods on this set of Domino's grips, and these carbon look lever guards. They're only plastic. My dad said they'll break, and I said, well, if I drop the bike and they break once, they've done their job. So they're quite cool. I'm not bothering with heated grips on this. I don't plan to ride this in the winter months. So mic failed all day filming, so that was annoying. Something down to myself not setting up the settings properly, and I've yet to try it again because it's been raining yesterday and today. So I shall get out again shortly, so stay tuned. Take it easy folks.